I am Matthew, student of Beehive Academy. Yeah. So these things, they are in fact a golf ball and a fishing weight. See, the fishing weight has has weight on the golf ball. The golf ball, it has mass on the fishing weight. So let's say they hit each other like so. Why did the heavier object go flying when the lighter object here didn't? Well, it's simple as this. Golf ball has more mass on than a fishing weight, and therefore, when the mass plus the force hits the golf ball hits a lesser mass plus force, this collides harder, and this bounces off evenly, and this breaks up, and this goes flying because it is smaller in mass. Thank you for your time.